channel 90 ideas. So if you like these ideas, first of all like the video, click the subscribe, press the like on this video, share to your friends, family members. Enjoy the video. Certainly, here were several wood projects ideas that range for simple to more complex, suitable for different skill levels and interests. Creating a bookshelf is both practical and rewarding. You can design it to fit a specific space in your home or as a gift. A basic bookshelf involves cutting the shelves and sides, assembling them, then ensuring suitability. Advanced designs might include adjustable shelves, decorative trim, to intricate lighting. A cutting board is a great project for beginners and be made using different types of wood to create beautiful patterns. This process involves selecting hardwoods like maple or walnut nut, cutting them into a size and gluing them together, and then staining finishing it as a functional kitchen item that also makes a great gift. Press the like on this video, share to your friends, family members. So, crafting pictures frames can range from straightforward to complex. Simple frames can be made from basic strips of wood cut at 45-degree angles and glued together. More intricate designs can include curved and inland details. This project helps improve precision and decorative skills. Building a coffee table is a bit creative freedom. You can choose a rustic design with a reclaimed wood or a modern look with sleek lines and finishes. This project typically involves putting the tabletop, creating strategy legs of supports and possibility getting feature like drawers or lower shelves. So that's called today's video. If you like this idea, first of all like the video and click the subscribe, press the like on this video, share to your friends, family members. So these are the wooden and metallic projects. So thanks for watching.